Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Nur Aisyah binti Zanurin from Bachelor Science in Biology and my supervisor is Encik Muhammad Azhar bin Zulkifli. Today, I want to present my final year project entitled Antioxidant Activities and Phytochemical Compound of Essential Oil of Gracillera species extracted using microwave-assisted hydrodistillation, a review. Macroalgae are rich in various phytochemicals and antioxidants which have potential in human health. It is one resource of active ingredients that are available in nutrition and pharmaceuticals such as antioxidants. The genus Gracillera is mainly used for the production of agar in Southeast Asian countries. It serves as food ingredients and nutraceutical application in India and Malaysia. Seaweed has become more popular in the cosmetic industries due to the customer preference toward natural cosmetic products. By using natural cosmetic products, it believed to be more effective compared to synthetic cosmetic products. For the problem statements, Gracillera species extracted by using microwave-assisted hydrodistillation has not been widely utilized. The current studies about antioxidant activities and phytochemical compound for Gracillera species that extract using water as solvent are insufficient. For the significance of the studies, firstly, the potential of microwave-assisted hydrodistillation to produce essential oil will be further analyzed. Secondly, the capability of Gracillera species in antioxidant activities will be determined to act as natural antioxidant. And lastly, the phytochemical compounds will be determined in the Gracillera species extracted using water as solvent. For the objective of the study, first, to investigate the effectiveness of microwave-assisted hydrodistillation to extract essential oil from Gracillera species. Next, to observe the antioxidant activities of the essential oil extracted from Gracillera species. And then to determine the phytochemical compound of essential oil extracted from Gracillera species. Gracillera species is come from phylum Rhodophyta, which is a red seaweed. The class is Floridophyceae. The order is from Gracillariales. The family is from Gracillariaceae and the genus is Gracillarea. And lastly, the common species from genus Gracillaria is Gracillera edulis, Gracillera corticata, and Gracillera gracilis. Gracillera species generally inhabit the intertidal and subtidal zone, and some species are restricted to deep water. Commonly, it is found in sheltered areas such as estuary, mangrove, and mudflats. In Sarawak, about 87 species of marine seaweed can be found along the coastal water, and out of the 13 species is from phylum Rhodophyta. These are the 3 species that can be found in Sarawak by the studies from Noor et al. 2018. Gracillera bourgetii and Gracillera changi have dark red colours, while Gracillera coronavifolia have purplish red colour. The branch characteristics are different between the species by the shape of the branch and the length between primary and secondary branch. Essential oil is a natural product extracted from the plant which the plant produces to protect them from infection. They are aromatic oily liquids, volatile, characterized by a strong odour, rarely coloured and generally with a lower density than water. They can be synthesized by all plant organs including flowers, seed, leaf, fruit and root. The essential oil extracted from plants have become a good source of natural antioxidant that able to scavenging free radicals for disease prevention such as brain dysfunction, cancer, heart disease, and immune system decline. To achieve the maximum biological activity in the extract, the extraction process plays an important role to obtain the bioactive compound from the material. Hydrodistillation is one of the processes for extracting the bioactive compound from the plants that have been used for centuries. Microwave-assisted hydrodistillation is one of the well-known extraction techniques that has been used for the extraction of essential oil from plant materials. It is a more advanced form of hydrodistillation that employs the use of a microwave oven during the extraction progression. A study by L. Yemin et al. Show that extraction of the essential oil by using microwave-assisted hydrodistillation required less time to extract and lower in electric consumption compared to the Clevenger hydrodistillation. From the table, it can be seen that solvents like ethanol and methanol exhibit lower ability to absorb microwave energy compared to water, as shown by their lower value of dielectric constant stand for measure of the ability to absorb microwave energy. Besides, variable technique that use water as solvent has been compared with hydrodistillation method. The extraction by using microwave technology or microwave steam distillation (MSD) give the positive effect where the essential oil yield are higher compared to the traditional hydrodistillation. Besides, it also gives positive effect in the term of extraction time, integration, and environmental friendly. However, the microwave technology is more costly compared to the traditional method. The excessive oxidation process may lead to an excessive amount of free radical substance. Free radical can receive or reduce electron, so the chemical reaction will become unstable and reactive. An antioxidant is a substance that can slow or inhibit the oxidation of free radical reactions. It will donate the hydrogen radical, which will reduce the primary radical to oxidize into antioxidant radical. For the antioxidant activity in Glaciaria species, the research from Chan, Matajun, Yasir and Tan can be concluded that different extracts of Glaciaria chani exhibit different level of antioxidant, with the ethyl acetate extract having the significantly highest radical scavenging activity, while the water extract has the lowest activity. Almost all the extracts, except for water, show that more than 50% of radical scavenging activity. Same goes with study by Ramdani et al. And Pang et al. Show that antioxidant of Glaciaria extract with water have lower value compared to the ethanolic solvent. Ethanolic extract was highly rich in phenolic compounds. This extract exhibit a highest antioxidant activities by the presence of a strong quantity of phenolic compound. For the phytochemical compounds in Glaciaria species, the studies from Ihmad and Atonisami can be concluded that by preliminary phytochemical screening, the positive results show the presence of alkaloid, steroid, phenolic group, saponin, tannin, flavonoid, terpenoid, glycoside and sugar in Glaciaria corticata. From the table, the number of phytochemicals can be detected from aqueous extract have similarity in the number of compounds that can be detected from methanol extract. Sugar is the only compound that can be detected by comparing methanol and aqueous solvent extraction. Next, from the study by Ashwini and Shantaram, can be concluded that the qualitative test that has been conducted to detect the phytochemical compound, alkaloid, saponin, glycoside, flavonoid, phenol, resin, and amino acid were present in the water extraction of Glaciaria corticata. Different compounds that can be detected between the water and methanol are steroid and saponin. This is because the phytochemical content of the extract depend on the polarities of extraction of solvent. In conclusion, microwave-assisted hydrodistillation is an effective method to extract the essential oil. It is because it's more time-saving, environmental friendly, and have higher essential oil yield when compared to the other method that extract using water as solvent. The antioxidant activities of Glaciaria species by using water as solvent have lower percentage yield compared to the methanol and ethanol solvent. However, Glaciaria species still have a great antioxidant activity to be used as natural antioxidant. Next, the phytochemical compound that has been detected in Glaciaria species extraction by using water have antioxidant activities. For the recommendation, further research is needed to determine the antioxidant activity from essential oil, which must use the microwave-assisted hydrodistillation method. This is because different methods will give the different yield of antioxidant activities. Next, the researcher also can use the proper technology such as GCMS for the screening of phytochemical compound of Glaciaria species that you extracted by using micro-assisted hydrodistillation. By using this technology, the result will be more detailed and precise for the compound that can be detected in the essential oil. So, that's all from me. Thank you.